In this quick and very simple video, I'll be showing you guys how you can hide your Wi-Fi on your Glo MiFi so that it won't be visible to other users. So it's very simple, and first of all, make sure you have connected your MiFi to your laptop or your system. You can do this on your laptop or system. You can see here is my Glo mobile Wi-Fi and it's connected. So if you connect it, then look for your browser, go to your browser and tap on it, and on your browser go to the search bar and enter this IP address so that you can log into the Glo MiFi admin portal 192.168.8.1. So this is the Glo MiFi IP address. If you enter it, if you enter, it brings you into this login page. So if you just got your MiFi newly and you haven't changed your password yet, default password to use to log in here is admin or in small letter. So I will come here and enter my password to log in. If I enter my password, I'll tap on this login and I'll be logging into the Glo MiFi admin portal properly. You can see, right? So if you have a different MiFi from mine, maybe if you log in here, your MiFi or your dashboard interface may appear a bit different from this, but still follow the same method and you'll be able to hide your Wi-Fi. Now to hide your Wi-Fi, just look for Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi settings and tap on it. I know in some Wi-Fi's it appears as Wi-Fi settings. So if you tap on the Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi settings, then you can see here wireless security settings. Tap on it. If you tap on it, and you can see right here network name SSID, and you can see mine is showing visible, so it means that my Wi-Fi is visible and anyone can see it, and if anyone sees it, you can be able to try to connect it if I do not put a password. So to hide it, to make it hidden, just come here and smash on it. If you tap on it and just come here and tap on save, if you tap on save, it means that even if your Wi-Fi is on, nobody can find it because it's hidden. No one can see it. It's only you that can see it. Or maybe if you choose to give someone your Wi-Fi name to search for it, then they can see it. So guys, I think hiding your Wi-Fi on your Glo MiFi is good for some security purposes. So that is it. It's very simple, and thanks for watching, and bye.